Can you believe the first month of 2022 is almost over? I think we're still processing 2020. Anyhow, January calls for a new you and newer opportunities, and we have just that for you. The first one is a write up submission on Unseen India, 75 lesser known sites of India, by the Ministry of Tourism, and they have invited all the Indians to submit their write ups along with pictures or videos of their own regions. The top 75 entries will receive a certificate alongside a souvenir. So don't just look for new food recipes, start looking for new places too. The second opportunity is for the Tip Great Educators Award. The TIP community is calling nominations for the very popular TIP Great Educators Award 2022, and the participants have to send their details along with 5 lines about what makes them the perfect nominee for the award. The nomination fee is only 100 rupees. The third one is the Raho, Badhte scholarship by MakeMyTrip Foundation to support the education of the children who lost their parents due to pandemic. Preferred students will be whose parents were employed in the tourism or the hospitality sector. Applicants must be enrolled in India from class 1 and all the way up to post graduation and should be enrolled in academic years 2021 to 2023. The financial assistance ranges from 24,000 to 50,000. Go ahead, apply, and make it yours.